Saan ka nakafocus? Focus on me. Dito lang. Okay. Hindi niya nakikita yung mukha. Ayun! Hello! Ayan. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko na-clear yung aking skin. So if you want to see, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. Dito sa video na to, hindi ko sabihin na uminom ka ng tubig at matulog na maaga. Kasi ako mismo hindi ko ginagawa yun. So, okay. Sa video na to, hindi din ako mag-share ng mga sponsored na products. These products or whatever that I'm going to show in my video are the most effective things or ways or products that worked on my skin. Okay? So, disclaimer lang before I say anything. So, number one, hindi ako dermatologist. Okay? Kung sa isang video ko, sinabi ko hindi naman ako fitness guru. Dito, hindi ako dermatologist or anything na alam ko yung mga, yung mga skin types and stuff like that. Lahat ng facts na sasabihin ko is based on my research only. I'm not a nutritionist. I am just a normal person na sinubukan na mag-clear yung skin ko. Okay? So, ayun na nga. Okay, let me just give you a quick story of my skin dati. Now, nung high school ako, makinis pa yung face ko. Wala akong, alam mo yun, yung walang pores, walang kahit na ano nung high school ako. First year to fourth year, wala talaga. So, ayun, lumabas lang yung acne ko nung graduate na ako ng high school. And, ilan taon na ba ako nun? I think I was 17 or 18 years old that time. So, ayun, of course, our bodies change and nagkakaroon ng hormonal change and stuff like that, puberty. So, kaya lumabas yung acne ko. Nung high school ako, wala. Nagkakapimple lang ako kapag magkakaroon na ako. But then, nung college talaga, dun talaga nag-purge yung acne ko. As in, no space for new pimples talaga. Tumigil lang siya nitong mga January, February of this year. This can help di lang sa babae, but it can also help sa mga lalaki din. My skin type is combination oily and dry at the same time. Depende sa weather. So, kapag summer, syempre, dun na malabas yung pimples ko. Kapag malamig, sobrang tuyot ng face ko. Alam mo yung parang may mga patches, parang nag-flaky. Yun, kapag taglamig. Wow, taglamig. Akala mo naman taga saan eh. Okay, so there are a lot of ways para makakuha ka ng ganong skin condition or skin problem. Una, pwede siyang maging dahil lifestyle mo. For example, yung pagkain na ini-intake, like it's maybe too oily, too sweet, and stuff like that. And pangalawa, it's genetic. Maybe yung parents mo is ganun din yung condition nila ng mga dalagat binata sila. I asked my parents kung ganito ba sila nung dalagat binata sila. So, hindi. Ang kinis na mukha nila nung kasing age nila ako and nung teenager sila. Nag-isip ako, ako talaga yung may problema. Ako talaga yung problema kung bakit ganito yung skin ko. Before that, pakitaan ko muna kayo ng photos ng condition ng skin ko. Pasintabi po sa mga kumakain. So, ito. Yan. Itong part, yung time na yan, makikita nyo sobrang reddish ng skin ko, sobrang inflamed ng mga acne, nagpa-purge talaga yung skin ko. And yung kapag nag-side view ka, ang daming bumps. Sobrang naging insecurity ko yung skin ko talaga. Like, my hair was always on my face kasi para lang matago ko yung skin ko. So, ayun. My skin is not perfect until now naman. But, I can say that I don't get acne anymore. Or pimples. Nagkakaroon lang ako ng pimple. Siguro, pimple, only one. Sign siya na magkakaroon ako. Monthly period. Alam mo yung feeling na ayaw mo na lumabas ng bahay kasi may bago ka na namang pimple dun sa spot na sobrang dami na nga. Parang down na down ka sa sarili mo na parang, ayaw na lumabas. Alam mo yung feeling na gano'n yung kapag may kausap ka, akala mo sa pimples mo nakatingin. Ganun. Napagdaanan ko yun and I know that you may feel the same way. So, just remember na your pimples or your flaws do not define you. Okay? So, lahat naman nito magagawa ng paraan and pwede siyang mawala. Okay, so that's why I'm here to help you or in any way give you my advice kung paano ko clear yung skin ko. That can help you as well. Okay? Marami ako nakikitang mga vlogs na sinasabi lang nila is drink water, sleep early, and stuff like that. But the truth is, ginawa ko yun. Natulog ako maaga, uminom ako na sobrang dami tubig, pero wala pa din. So, ito na nga yun. This is a work in progress. Hindi siya overnight. Naglagay ka lang ng bagong skincare, set dyan. Wala ka ng pimples kinabukasan, or sobrang clear na ng skin mo forever. Hindi. You really need to work inside out. So, ayun na nga, dito na tayo pumapasok sa number 1, yung food intake mo. Ngayon lang naman kasi ako naging very conscious sa health ko, very conscious sa mental health, sa physical health, emotional health, and everything. Food intake ko, napansin ko, sobrang hilig ko talaga sa sweets talaga. And also sa junk food. Lagi ko iniisip, stress naman ako. Sige, mag-stress eating ako. Kakain ako ng ganito, ganyan. So, yun nga, you really need to lessen your junk food intake or yung mga pagkain na hindi naman siya necessary or yung mga unhealthy food. Yun. So, number 1, culprit ko dyan, napapansin ko kapag umiinom ako ng soft drinks, kinabukasan may bago na naman akong pimple or ang pangit na ng skin ko. Yun. Wait, si Marcia nandito. Mama! Say hi ko muna. Hello! Hi guys! Hello guys! Welcome to my mom's channel! Ako muna. Film ako eh. Sorry. Okay. So, ayun na nga. So, kinat ko yung soft drinks ko. And another thing is yung pagkain ko ng mga too salty food. Junk food and stuff like that. I started to eat healthy. Kumakain ako ng mga gulay, ng fish, yung tamang proteins na kailangan ng katawan. So, ayun, eat healthy. Ito muna tayo sa inside out, diba? So, papasok, we'll talk about the things that you need to do sa loob ng katawan mo, papalabas. Okay. Very tita ko dito, pero before you intake any vitamins or any medication or supplements, please do ask or seek advice from your doctor. Okay? Marcio, stop it! Okay, so, first I want to talk about is itong fish oil. I'm not sure kung meron nito sa Pilipinas, pero ito kasi, binili na tito ko to from Australia. So, ayun, Australian made and owned. Ang brand niya is Healthy Care. So, this is fish oil 1000 mg omega 3. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Hindi. Pag iniinom ko to, hindi ko hinihingaan. So, it looks like this. Yan, capsule lang siya. Yes, that's it. So, iniinom ko to every morning kasama tong ascorbic acid ko. But let's talk about fish oil first. So, what is fish oil? Okay, so fish oil is meron siyang 2 main types of omega fatty acids. Okay, so meron siyang DHA or ang tinatawag nilang docosahexaenoic, tama ba pronunciation ko, acid. So, ito, ang DHA helps keep the brain function properly and well. Okay, so next is EPA. Ano ba yung EPA? It is the eicosapentaenoic acid. Tama ba pronunciation ko ng mga doctor, pharmacist? Okay, so ayan. This EPA helps with the skin. It regulates the oil production, which helps boost hydration sa skin natin, which keeps it elastic, youthful. Ayan, yun yung ginagamit ng fish oil. So, it also prevents acne and yung mga wrinkles natin. Next, I want to talk about is ascorbic acid. We all know that ascorbic acid is also known as the vitamin C. It helps with a lot of nutrients sa katawan, supply ng mga nutrients sa katawan natin. So, ascorbic acid can help with a lot of repairs and also collagen reproduction. It also helps with healing wounds kasi nga nag-repair yung cells, diba? So this helps. So what I do in the morning is after drinking black coffee, I drink both of these. Makita ko din sa inyo kung ano itsura. Ito, binili lang ito na ate ko. So it's just a simple tablet. Ayan. Ayun. Very tita-like na ako. And then the next thing that I want to talk about is dun naman sa outside, ang mga kailangan mong gawin sa skin mo mismo. Okay, so ito yung mga bagay na napansin ko sa sarili. Mahilig ako mag-makeup. Talaga. Sabi ko nga, yung skin ko is sobrang dami niyang imperfections, acne, scars, marks, blemishes, and everything. Tinatago ko siya with makeup. Now, the thing about that is, lalo ko lang siyang ini-irritate. Pero pag ako naman kasi nag-makeup, hindi ako heavy mag-makeup, yung concealer lang or foundation, and then that's it. But the thing about that is, yun ang gamit ko the whole day, diba? So it irritates my acne or my pimples or my skin. It doesn't let my skin breathe. Yun. Kung hindi ka pa makalabas ng bahay mo na without makeup, try to look for the makeup brand that suits your skin type. So hindi kasi lahat ng makeup brands is suitable sa skin type natin. And of course, you really need to stick to a skincare routine. Kailangan may sipag ka maglinis ng mukha. Before matulog, hihilamos ka ng mukha. Yung facial washes don't work. Mess siya lang. So, kailangan mo din ng toner, kailangan mo din ng serum, specific serum. So, let's talk about facial cleansers. Okay, so this is not sponsored, I promise. Kung na-sponsor na ako nitong product na to, wow. CosRX. When it comes to facial washes naman, you really need to look for the facial wash na walang beads or kaya kapag nilagay mo is medyo may pagka or medyo rough yung ano niya, yung kanyang texture. Okay, so what I use on my face is, for my facial cleanser, I use this Good Morning Cleanser by CosRX. Now, I am not sure if all of you know this brand, pero CosRX is a Korean brand. Basta Korean brands, very well-known sila sa mga skincare products. So, ang tagal ko na, mga third na purchase ko na nito. Isang shop lang yung pinupuntahan ko kapag Korean skincare. Ilalink ko na lang sa description box kung I forgot the name. Pero, yun, trustworthy siya kasi totoo namang legit na brand siya and yung hindi siya fake. So, let's just see kung bakit maganda yung Good Morning Cleanser. So, it also says here that formulated with purifying botanical ingredients, that this low pH formula works to soothe, refreshen, and soften skin without the stripping feeling. Totoo, once you use this, mabango siya, amoy tea tree oil. So, paubos na nga siya. Pag ginagamit mo to, hindi siya yung dry yung feeling. So, ginagamit ko na siya for over a year na, and then dito talaga, gumana talaga yung pagiging clear ng skin ko. Kung hindi niyo naman gusto to, look for a brand or a facial wash that doesn't have any beads and is also low in pH. So, hindi ka lang basta pwede kuha lang sa Watsons. Okay, dahil lang sikat siya, sige, lagyan natin. Ganun. hindi siya pwede ganun. So, you really need to research on what you put on your face. Hindi mo kasi pwedeng sabihin na after using this for 1 week straight, makikita man agad yung results. No, it takes 2 to 3 months before you see the best results of your skin dahil dun sa product na yun. So, when it comes to skincare, hindi lang tayo titigil sa facial wash. Of course, kasi after nun, kapag gumamit ka ng toner, kita mo, sobrang dami pang mga dirt. So, hindi enough ang facial wash. So, what I use is this Thayer's. Matagal na sa akin to. Siguro pangalawang purchase ko na nito. Kasi matagal siya maubos. This is 355 ml. Ayun, so titignan natin yung ingredients niya. Ang isa sa mga titignan nyo kapag pala nagpa-purchase kayo ng mga skincare brands is pag meron siyang fragrance and kapag meron siyang alcohol. Ang alcohol kasi is a reason kung bakit may irritate yung skin mo. Looking at the ingredients here, wala siyang alcohol, so which is good. And after nito, hindi siya nakakatuyo ng mukha. Okay, so next, let's talk about serums. Okay, so here, I have 2 types of serums, okay? So what I use on my face is, I use this vitamin C serum. So again, diba sabi ko sa inyo, yung vitamin C helps boost a lot of, sa immune system, repairs the cells and stuff like that. Dito naman, ito sa loob. Itong vitamin C serum naman sa panlabas. So ang serum na to, it helps elevate skin blemishes and it eliminates an even skin tone while minimizing fine lines. So, yun. And another thing is, ito naman is yung Snail Truecica. I'm not sure kung nakita niyo na to. Snail Truecica, ito talagang dito gumana yung pagkawala ng acne scars ko. Acne marks ko. Kasi yung scars yung naka-indent talaga. But marks, ito yung mga blemishes, yung mga medyo pinkish brown. So, dahil Korean siya, hindi ko siya mabasa. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Snail Mucin. Or, yun, mucin siya. Snail Mucin. And, ang mga Korean brand, sikat yan sa mga, malagi mo makikita na may BHA, Snail Mucin, stuff like that. Kasi Snail Mucin ay galing sa slime ng snail, literal na snail, okay? So, it also helps regenerate damaged skin. So, tapos na tayo sa products, dito naman tayo sa lifestyle. So, sa pag-workout naman, mahilig talaga din ako mag-workout. Ngayon, lalo na ngayong ECQ. Dahil sa pag-workout ko, syempre yung pores, nagsasweat ka, so hindi siya nagiging clog. Naglalabas siya ng toxins ng katawan through the sweat. So, try to be active, try to sweat every single day. Alam ko mainit sa Pilipinas, pero kakaibang sweat naman yun. Pero, ayun, try to be active at least 2 to 3 times a week. And then, you'll really see the difference dun sa skin mo. Nagiging youthful and nagiging radiant yung skin mo every time na nag-workout ka. Having clear skin doesn't mean you have to rely on one product only. Hindi porket ginamit mo na siya, acne-free ka na. So, you really need to work hard for it. Kahit naman anong bagay, para ma-achieve mo isang bagay, may specific steps and may mga routines ka sa sarili mo na kailangan mong baguhin. So, you need to start now. Ayun. That is all for today, and I hope you did enjoy watching my video. Sana may natutunan kayo. Yun lang naman. I'll put all of the products in the description down below. And if you want to see more, please do comment down. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel and help me reach 1,000 subscribers because we're almost there. You can also turn the bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And ayun lang naman. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!